Hello geometry students. Today we are going to do problems on section 11.1 circumference and arc length. That's on page number 380, big idea geometry student journal. So let's start with very first question over there. So we have question 1 through 4 here, and we have to find the indicated measure. Very first thing what we are supposed to find here, we are supposed to find diameter of a circle with a circumference 10 inches. So what we have been given, this is our C, circumference is given, and diameter D we have to find out how much is that. So in order to do these questions, you need to remember C equal to pi d or C equal to 2 pi r. So you have to use whichever is convenient, and if diameter is given, use C equal to pi d. If radius is given, use C equal to 2 pi r. So we have to, so circumference is given, so C is diameter we need to find out, so I will be using pi d. So C is equal to pi d, plug it in, then equal to pi d, and I need to find d diameter, so I just divide both sides by pi. 10 over pi is equal to d, and now you use your calculator. There you're not supposed to plug it in 3.14, just use the pi button. 10 divided by, press pi button, and when you find the answer, you have to round. In this section you have to round all the answers to the nearest hundredth. So d will be your roughly equal to, it's approximately equal to 3.18 inches, rounded to the nearest hundred. So keep in mind, I'm rounding everything to the nearest hundred, so here rounded to the nearest hundred, nearest hundred. So all answers by default I'm rounding to the nearest hundred. So let's move to the second question here. Circumference of a circle with radius 3. So we need to know what's given here. Basically radius is given, that's 3. Circumference is supposed to be find out, so we have to find out circumference. C equal to what, and radius r is 3, that's given. So let's use the formula, this one. So I would be using that C equal to 2 pi r, plug it in. C I have to find out, 2 pi r is 3, it's 6 pi, and when you plug it in your calculator, 6 times pi to the nearest hundredth, that's value going to be 18.85 centimeter. That's your answer. All right, let's move to the next question. Now next question is, we have been given the radius of a circle with circumference 8 feet. So means you have to find radius, and circumference is how much? Circumference is 8 feet. So here radius is what, and circumference is 8. So C is given. So it's all about radius, so I will be again using this formula. So C equal to 2 pi r, just plug it in. Circumference is 8, 8 equal to 2 pi r. I have to find out. How to find out r? Divide both sides by 2 pi. So I have 8 over 2 pi is r. Now you, in your calculator, or you can simply do 8 over 2 pi, or if you cross cancel here, it will be r equal to 4 over pi. That could be also written, but you can directly plug it in, 8 over 2 pi, and when you round to the answer nearest hundredth, your answer is going to be 1.27. and keep in mind, unit is very important if they give you the unit in the question. All right, so let's move to the question number 4. What we are supposed to find out, we have to find out circumference of a circle with a diameter 2.4 centimeters. So what's given? I have to find out circumference C, and diameter, that's given D. So I would be using this formula. So C equal to pi d, just plug it in. Pi and D is what? 2.4. And then you just plug it in your calculator, and to the nearest hundredth it has 7.54 meter. That's the formula for, that's the answer for question number 4. So depending on, you can use any formula depending on whatever is convenient. If D is given, use this one. If R is given, use this one. Both are same because D is 2R. That's why they're same. You can use any. Let's move to question number 5. 5 is what you're supposed to do. You have to find arc length AC. You're supposed to find this length. How much is that? What we have talked about yesterday, how to find arc length, you have to have the fraction of the angle. This arc length is subtending an angle 70 degree at center, and the total circle is 360. So that we have to use here. Measurement of arc length AC, that's what? Just write down the fraction of the angle, 70 out of 360. 70 is out of 360 times, then whole circumference. If it is asking about arc length, that's 2 pi r. Now plug it in. 70 over 360 times 2 pi r is how much? It's given 3 inches. 3. And now that's what? You can cross cancel here, or you can use, so I can first cancel the zeros here, and let me use different colors. So I can, so this is what? 2 times 2 times, so here you just do 2 and 36, 18, and 3, 6 18, up to you. You plug it in everything, 7 pi over 6. When you plug it in your calculator, you get 3.66 inches. That's the way how you find the arc length. Now next question is convert the angle measure. You have to convert degree to radian, radian to degree. Here you have to convert degree to radian, 60 degree to radian, and here you have to convert 7 is radian to degree. And I told you it's all about, you have to remember the fraction, that's pi over 180 or 180 over pi. All right, if you're converting degrees to radians, so choose the one whichever has the initial one on bottom. So degrees to radian, so choose this one because degrees are on the bottom, so multiply with that. So the answer will be 60 degree times, I'll be multiplying pi over 180 degree, and this is 3 times, and that we get pi over 3 radian. All right, now if you have to convert radian to degree, convert 5 pi by 6 radians to degree, radian to degree. So radian has to be on bottom, means I'm going to take this one. So 5 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. Now cross cancel, pi gone. 6 times 3 is 30, and 5 times 3 is 150 degrees. Alright, I hope you get it. Any question, please let me know. Stay safe. Thank you so much.